Reports of predatory loans are up. A new report from a local consumer advocacy group found over the past 3 years, there were nearly 10,000 complaints nationwide to the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. Reporter Anthony Marroquin took a look at how the loan business has developed in Arizona and what you can do to protect yourself.
91% of those complaints studied by the Arizona Public Education Fund dealt with some sort of unaffordability. Here in Arizona, voters banned payday loans in 2010, but that hasn't stopped other companies from stepping in and charging triple-digit interest rates.
Look around most corners in the lower income areas of town, and you'll see a familiar sight.
They encourage consumers to come on in and they can get that loan immediately and help to pay their bills.
The short-term loan business in Arizona has skyrocketed over the last decade, making the state the 7th most concentrated title loan market per adult in the country, according to the Center for Economic Integrity. Cynthia Swick with the Arizona Community Action Association says the biggest problem is lenders marketing to people who may not be able to afford it.
They may not be able to pay them off, so they reinvest in another loan, or they take out another loan to pay that one off and then have some cash to meet expenses.
There's still several loans today that are allowed to charge you triple-digit interest rates. Title loans are the most popular, but there's also flex loans and registration loans. These loans are allowed to charge you as much as 204% APR. And just to give you a hint on what that means, a 2-year loan at $2,500 at 204% APR would cost you $10,441 to pay off.
But not everyone sees the loans as a detriment. The Arizona Title Loan Association says that people need a safe place where they can borrow money in times of need.
Anything that limits that availability will simply force consumers to either go to offshore lenders, tribal lenders, unlicensed lenders, perhaps somebody in an alleyway.
The Consumer Finance Protection Bureau is working on a national legislation that would impose a 6-loan yearly cap on any one person before lenders are required to assess whether the customer can afford another one.
If you feel you are in an unfair loan, you can file a complaint with the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. In Phoenix, Anthony Marroquin, KRONK 8 News.